Welcome back to week 4 of the weekly Diecast series. This week wasn't such a big week. I did manage to get a few cool things. Start things off, I got the M2 Mustang models kit. Pretty cool. Got twin intake model here, or you got single intake old 5.0 old school. Kind of digging those. Just got a airbrush for Father's Day from my wife, so I'm thinking about taking some, to me, a clear red and go over this whole thing. Do like red candy coat over the white. Look really sharp. Help make those graphics pop out. Picked up another one of these custom Civics. Really dig that black and white, as I said in the last one. This way I can do a custom and have one extra on card. After the last episode of saying I didn't have the green one, now I've got it in green. Not so big on it, but I had to add it to the collection. Couple Matchbox. Got the charger. Got a Mopar guy, so had to get the charger. Looks real clean. Really like the decals on it. Tampos, whatever you want to call them. Headlights look really good. Found a little Subaru sandbar. Thought this thing was really cool. Neat little truck to add. Eventually I'll get around to making a diorama. A little scene of some sort. Start sharing these videos with those. Picked up the Jeep Gladiator. Really cool how they don't have the doors on it. Nothing in the bed. Surprised there's no hitch though. Found this left on the pegs. 90 Acura NSX from the JDM Walmart series. Probably because it didn't have any, probably because this was busted here. So that one I'll wind up doing a wheel swap and collection. Kind of a bummer. That's alright. And then just happened to run by the O'Reilly's to check. Found this at the local O'Reilly's. Been wanting a Lancer. And Evo 6 is sharp. Super sharp. Pop this out on another video. Super cool. Got the Mario Brothers plumber van. Oh, my back is messed up today. Pretty cool. Kids seen the movie and absolutely loved it. Probably wind up hanging up in the boys' room. He's big on Mario Brothers. Be fun to teach us some of the old Nintendo tricks. I did do the Kroger mail-in. Got the Jaguar lightweight E-Type. The Spectre Flame Purple is just amazing. Painted headlights. Really like those wheels. Super cool. Now I was digging through some of my old stuff. Thought I'd share this. This is really cool. One of my older favorite pieces. Lightning McQueen and trailer. Got the Ramon in trailer. I've also got Mater in trailer. But those are out of the package and they're somewhere. I gotta find them. I'll share them on another video. But this one never got opened up. This is really my favorite. Got the Route 66. Got some stuffs in the trailer. Can't really see. Not the best lighting going on. I had to shut the light off behind me because it always creates glares. And then I've been eyeballing these for a while. I took a few things back just so I can get exchange and get the credit and get this instead. I'm a little weird. Really like the Euro Holler. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. First little diorama piece set that I've had. Just some cardboard. Pretty cool. Let me do this here. Pause this and come back when I'm gonna pop loose. Alright, now that we got that all done and over with, we got the Euro Holler here. Digging the black and gold. Always a fan of Smokey and the Bandit. So that's where that always stems from. Open up the back. Stick whatever little cards you want. Got the Audi Quattro. Fits in there relatively nicely. Only bummer is you only fit like one car in there. That's alright. These are pretty cool little cars. Always like the 80s box style. And you got the Lamborghini Azenza. Camera doesn't want to focus. Here, let's do this. That's all right. Okay, there's that. And then you got Mercedes. What is this thing? Yeah. Sober Mercedes C9. I know I butchered that, but that's alright. That's really neat thing though. Pop that off. Got that little bit of engine detail there. Stick it up in the pits, and there you go. Go ahead and pop that back on. Now it's going to be a pain. There we go. Well, there's that for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Peace.